In this video, we explore how to solve an exponential equation step by step. We will break it down into simple ideas so you can fully understand the process. We want to solve in the real numbers the exponential equation. 4 to the power of x, plus 6 to the power of x, equals 2 times 9 to the power of x. First, we'll note that 4 equals 2 squared, 6 equals 2 times 3, and 9 equals 3 squared. Replacing each number in the equation, we obtain 2 squared to the power of x, plus 2 times 3 all to the power of x, equals 2 times 3 squared, all to the power of x. Using exponent rules, this becomes 2 to the power of x all squared, plus 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x, equals 2 times 3 to the power of x, all squared. Now to solve, we introduce the substitutions. A equals 2 to the power of x, and b equals 3 to the power of x. This transforms the equation into a squared plus a times b equals 2 times b squared. Rewriting, we get a squared plus a times b minus 2 times b squared equal to 0. We rearrange the left side to get the equation a squared minus b squared plus a times b minus b squared equal to 0. Now by factorizing the squares difference, a square minus b square, and extracting b as a common factor from the terms a times b and negative b square, we get the equation a plus b times a minus b plus b times a minus b equals 0. Now by extracting a minus b as a common factor from these terms, our equation becomes a minus b times a plus 2 times b equal to 0. Thus the original equation implies a minus b times a plus 2 times b equal to 0, where a is equal to 2 to the power of x, and b equals 3 to the power of x. Now since this is a zero product, then either a minus b equals 0, which means that a is equal to b, therefore 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of x, so 2 over 3, all to the power of x, equals 1, which means that x is equal to 0. Otherwise, we would have the second factor, which is a plus 2 times b equal to 0, which means that a equals negative 2 times b. Therefore, a over b equals negative 2. And by replacing a and b by their respective values, we get 2 to the power of x over 3 to the power of x equal to negative 2, which mean that 2 over 3 all to the power of x is equal to negative 2. And this equation has no solutions in the set of the real numbers r, as we know that the fraction 2 over 3, when raised to the power of x, is always greater than 0, whatever the real values of the variable x is. Therefore the only real solution for our original equation is x equal to 0. So we found the real solution to this exponential equation. If you enjoyed the explanation, please like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. And until the next one, have a great time learning math.